Hello, my people. Good day to you, huh? Can I say good morning or afternoon, good evening? Depends on where you are watching me from. Is your sister your girl, your friend Charlotte, aka Obuduwini one of France? Please, first of all, if it's your first time when you just do waka waka across my YouTube channel, you never press that red button. I beg you, just do me a favor. Press the red button so you can be getting different unbogus story from me. In this my channel, they talk about many things: family problem, home problem, many things. Any problem you have, just contact me. We bring it out. They say problem share, problem solution. So any problem you share, we also get solution. So that is why we don't have to be keeping our problem into our body. So you bring it up for other people out there to solve it. Okay. So the reason why I'm here today, guys, I know many people don't know about this ticket. So I don't know if you guys can see it. If you can see it, let me know, guys. I don't know. So many of you don't know about this ticket. Okay, guys. I said let me still bring this thing out for people out there to know. So how to make money? There's a different way to make money in this life. You can make money with different things. You know, everybody is running into a YouTube. There is money in YouTube. Not that there is money in YouTube or there is no money in YouTube. Okay, guys. I know when you started early, so it's going to be difficult for you to get the money fast. The thing is that anything you are doing in this life, you just do it and take official. Anything you are doing, just do that. Don't do that. You are going to collect this money fast. No, just do anything you are doing in this life to make money. Just put everything in your head, which is put everything that you are going to enjoy in time to come. Not that you will just do it today, you'll be getting the enjoyment today. No. So everybody's running to YouTube to make money in YouTube. No, my people, if you don't have view, you have not popular. Hardly before you get money. But one day there was a video that will shoot you, that will bring you out for people to know about you. That is what I believe. So anything you are doing in this life, do not give up. Do not give up. Continue doing your job. One day, the God Almighty will bring you out, will expose you for people to know who are you. So guys, as you can see, this is Charlotte Store. I don't eat so many things to make money. That is why I only give my next store, because I do anything on top. I can do just to get money. That is all I want in my life. So guys, so if you want to know how to make money with this ticket, it's so easy. So easy. The reason why I'm putting this ticket. So when I say ticket, I do push the picture so people don't know about the ticket, because there is different ticket. So with this ticket, guys, it's so easy for you to make money. You know, with this ticket, it's so easy for you to make money. So many of us, we don't know. You know, many of us, we don't know. Many people don't know how to make money with this ticket. It's so easy to make money with this ticket. Just wait to have ticket like this and load it into your phone. Just the way you are loading the recharge card. Just like the way you are loading the recharge card, you know. When you buy a recharge card, you can load it now. Yes. So it's the same thing. When you go to the market, you buy something, you also load it to your phone. Then it's going to make money for you at the end of the month. Even the ticket is not from you, you can also get the ticket from another person. You can call many of your friends. Please, is there anything you have today? Please, if you buy anything, just help me with the ticket. Just to spam the ticket picture, send it to you. We are okay. Or you can also go to the market and pick it from the market. So this thing is a lot everywhere. All market, you can get it. Just once in a week, you load it, is okay. You just need to make 200 points a week. You get your money at the end of the month. Yes. You will get your money, my people. So everything is money. Anything at all, you can use it to make money. But many people, they will not put it through. Many people will not make it to understand. Many people, I don't have my business. Yeah. I don't have anything I am doing. I cannot force you to do it. I will not say something at the end of the day. You will not find the real answer. No. And we make it to understand exactly how you are going to do it. Exactly how you will use it to make money. So if you want to know about that, you can contact me. Then I will explain everything for you. I will make it to understand. It's so easy. This is not a thing you are going to buy in the market. This is not a thing you are going to buy or you want to sell. No. So everybody is into a business, aloe vera business, juice plus, light plus, different type of business is everywhere. But people will not make it to understand, but they want you to enter the business. The moment you get to the business, you will not find that it's not what they told you. That is not what you find in the business. Go and drop it. It's not what you find in the business. So please, I am begging, if you want anyone to enter into your business, make that person to understand. Put it through. Don't just tell anybody to say, this business is like this. The moment you get into the business, what they told you they are going to find. No, guys. Please, I am begging. So let people to understand how they can make their money, how it's very easy or how it's very difficult for them. You understand me? So So why is very difficult or why is very easy? That is just sometimes I will call some people to say, please, this is my business. Can you join my business? Then they will to tell you that, I've been told some business like this. You people should stop lying. Yes, they will say you people should stop lying. Because why? Some people will not tell you the truth. Some people will not say the truth for you. So it's better make that person to understand. If the person want to join it, he can join it. But if he don't want to join you, it's better. It's less for him to go. It's less for him to go. So it's better you make the person to understand everything. So that if you want it to continue, he can join you. If you don't want, leave it. Allow him to go or allow her to go. Do not just force her to say, yes, if you don't have money, I will do this for you. At the end of the day, it's not what you told her. It's not what you told this girl to find. No, guys. So I normally give people exactly how I do my business. I will make it to understand. So if you love it, you like it, you can call me to say, okay, I want really to be like you. But if you don't want it, it's less for you. I'm not going to force you. I am not forcing you to join any of your business. Okay? But for me, guys, this is not a business. This is the easy way. Because I want everyone to grow. I want everybody to have. This is not a thing that you go to market and buy, you come and say, or you go to Facebook and be chatting, you go to YouTube and be chatting, please, I have my business, come and join me. No, this is just easy way for you to make money at the end of the month, guys. Trust me. I love you all. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you guys waiting for? Subscribe to my channel to get you more audio. I have a different way of making money, guys. Different way of making money. You can contact me to hear more about. There are different things. Really, guys, we don't really know. Many people don't know there are different ways to make money, guys. It's not all about you have to buy and sell, all about you have to buy and sell. No, this is another way, man. Another way for you to have your own money, guys. It's not, even if you are working in Fabrica, 20 euro at the end of the month is money. 50 euro is money. So you cannot be waiting for government to be paying you money every month. No, you have to make your own money with your hand. So in case of scarcity, you will have something to hawk, or I don't know if you guys can understand me. So I love you guys. Be your one boss. Thank you all. Ticket is money, guys. With Ticket, you make your money. At the end of the month, you go to the bank and withdraw your money with your card. I love you guys. Go back, share the video, like, and drop your comment. My number is there. I'm going to drop it for you to contact me to learn more about how to make money with Ticket. I love you all.